Welcome. Today I am with B&O Beoplay H4 headphones, and I'm going to show you how you can connect them with your MacBook. So at first we have to focus on the right headphone and take a look. Right here we can find 3 buttons. At first we are gonna click and hold this one to turn them on. Right now click and hold this one and this one together until this indicator blinks on the blue. Right now we can release. It means that right now our headset is in the pairing mode, so we can put back them, open the Bluetooth settings on your MacBook. For sure we have to enable this option and go for the Bluetooth preferences. Right now just wait until your headset pop on the list, and there it is. Right now we can click connect. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.